2000 Chevrolet full-size van with water mixing into the oil. No external leaks seen. We've got some milkshake in there. And we're going to try and show you a picture of it leaking. Through the distributor hole. Ready to pressure it up?
Yeah, I'm pressuring it up right now.
Okay. Don't know if you can quite see it or not. You can see it just running down there.
Yep, just runs out right at the end.
And I can see it going down through the distributor hole, all the way to the bottom. It's kind of hard to see where it's coming up off the side.
With the camera, it is. You can, but if you get your face down inside there,
is it up this way?
You can actually watch it coming out from this inside over here on the. You can see a really good stream.
There's almost so much steam coming out or smoke.
Yeah. If you get your face down there with just the flashlight, you can see it trailing down from over here on this passenger rear.
Oh yeah, I see it running up there.
And it was without even putting pressure on it, just putting fluid in there. And just
yeah, you can see it just running down.
I've done heads on one of these without pulling the cap off of it.
This is what motor? 5.3?
This is the 5.3.
5.3 liter. So we'll pull the intake off.
No, this is a 5.7. I'm sorry.
Oh, 5.7 liter. 5.7 Chevrolet. Similar design. They were thinking it needed head gaskets. It looks like we'll be able to just do an intake. It did not fail. It passed the block test. No steam at the tailpipe. No misfires. They have been driving it with it mixed though. But the engine sounds okay. So we'll pull the intake off, wash it all out, clean the valve covers, valleys, wash it all down to the bottom, and then change oil several times. See if we can help them save their engine. And this vehicle has 169,000 miles on it. I think this is one that we can do some good for. Thanks for watching.